Hello. Hi. Can you hear me, my dear?
Yes,
Okay. My name is Teacher Bem. What's your name?
name is Zhang.
Oh, nice to meet you, my dear. Okay. How
Yeah,
old are you?
18.
Oh, okay. I will share my screen and let's fill this up. Okay. Can you see it, my dear? Can you see the screen?
Yes,
Okay. So can you help me? Can you spell your name? Is it uh Li?
A-N-Z.
Is that right? Okay, I'll just follow your name on the screen. Is that right?
Yes,
Okay. How do you say it? Lin?
Linh Zhang.
Okay. Do you have a nickname?
Zhang.
Okay. Is there a other name you want me to call you? Okay, can I call you Lin?
Linh Zhang.
Okay, can I call you Lin? Is that okay?
Yes,
Okay, thank you. And you are
18.
18. Okay, years old. Okay, what are your hobbies?
Sports. Play sports.
Oh, I see. That's cool. What else, my dear? I like to play sports.
Listen to music.
Oh, that's great. Listening to music and anything else?
Mm,
What?
and read
How?
book.
Yes. How about watching movies?
Yes.
Okay, you watch movies. Okay, I like to play sports, listen to music, watch movies, and how about reading books?
Yes, yes.
Okay, and reading books. Okay, very good. Okay, next, my dear. Why do you like to learn English?
Mm, because it's relaxed.
Because, can you say it again, my dear?
It's relaxed.
Um, can you can you spell it? You like
Relax.
okay. You like to learn English because are you still schooling or attending school at university?
Yes.
Oh, I see. What are you studying? Okay, what? Okay, I will share again here. What are you studying? Studying in or at uni? Oh, sorry, university.
Language.
Oh, language.
Yes.
That's great. Okay. So you want to study English to improve your skills in speaking English language. Oh no. Okay, let's fill this up again. Okay, you want to learn English because I want to improve my skills in speaking the English language. Okay, very good. Okay, my dear, so let's fill this up again. It was erased. Okay, and then here, and then a
Name for Linh Giang.
okay. I like to, you said play sports. What else?
Listening
Okay, listen.
to music. Watching movie.
Okay. So can you say them all, my dear? You can say, my name is, you can call me as. Okay, let's hear it.
My name is Linh Giang. I am 18 years old. I like play sport, listen to music, watching movie, and read book. I like to learn English because I want to improve my skill in speaking the English
English language. Very good. Okay, good job. Okay. So you are studying language at your university. Okay, that is nice. Okay, my dear, I will share another topic. And okay, let's talk about this topic. This is fun and interesting. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, can you read this for me?
I live in Taiwan.
Okay. So we will discuss right now, where do you live?
Where do you live?
Yes. And after this lesson, you will be able to improve.
Improve your ability to talk about where your home is and what it is like.
Okay, good job. Very good. Okay, so let's go here. We will learn about different rooms in your house. Okay. Imagine I will visit your house. Okay, imagine that I will visit your house and you will tour me around.
Hãy tưởng tượng rằng tôi sẽ đến thăm nhà bạn và bạn sẽ dẫn tôi đi tham quan.
Okay, okay, let's do this
Yes.
in our lesson. Okay, we will learn some words. First word.
Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Okay.
Kitchen.
What is a kitchen?
What is a
Okay, it's a room.
room or area where food is kept and cooked?
Okay, so this is the kitchen where you cook your food. Do you cook your food?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. Okay, can you please read this example, my dear? We bought
We bought a new roof for the kitchen.
Okay. So that is the kitchen. Next word.
Living room.
Living room.
Okay. What is a living room?
Living room in a home where people relax, watch a television.
Television. Okay. It's a room in a home where people relax and watch television. Okay. Can you read our example?
My
My
home has a big living room.
Okay. My house has a
My
big.
my house has a big living room.
Okay. Do you have a living room in your house?
There are 4 living room.
Oh, that's big. Okay, very good, my dear. Next word.
Dining room.
Dining room.
Okay, what's a dining room?
Dining room in a home where people eat meat.
Okay, eat meals.
Eat meal.
Yes, it's a room where you eat your meals.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's read the example sentence.
My dining room is very small.
Okay. How about your dining room? Is it small or big?
There are
Okay, let me translate it. How about your dining room? Is it small or big?
dining room is big.
Okay, it's large or big?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, my dear, good job. Next word.
Bedroom.
Bedroom.
Okay. What's a bedroom?
Bedroom. Bedroom. A room used for sleeping.
Okay, it's room for sleeping. What is your favorite room in your house? Okay, what is your favorite room in your house?
A roomy.
Is it bathroom? Is it bedroom, living room, dining room, or kitchen?
Bedroom.
Oh, bedroom. You can say my favorite room in my house is
Is
my
bedroom.
bedroom. Okay. Can you say this one, my dear?
My favorite room in my house is my bedroom.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, let's go to the next room.
Bathroom.
Okay.
Bathroom.
What is a bathroom?
Bathroom. A room with a toilet, sink, and often a shower or bath.
Okay, thank you for this. Can you say this? Toilet.
Toilet.
Okay. And shower.
Shower.
Okay. What's our sample sentence?
This house has a large bathroom.
Okay. It's a room where you take a bath.
Yes.
Next room is
Garage. Garage.
Garage.
okay, very good. It is a
Ga-
building.
Was a building or room for a vehicle
Vehicle.
or
Vehicle.
or vehicles.
Okay, again, please. Vehicle,
Vehicle.
vehicle, or vehicles.
Vehicle or vehicle.
Okay, again, please. Okay,
Vehicle.
vehicle. Okay, very good. So what is a garage? It's a building where we park our vehicle. Okay, my dear, let's read our sample sentence.
I always park my car in the garage.
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 Again, please.
Garage.
Okay, very good. Okay, so we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rooms in the house. Okay, let's go to the next.
Garden.
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 Okay,
Garden.
a piece of ground.
Garden. A pick a brown zero for growing plants or flower.
Yes. Okay, let's read this one. It took us all weekend.
It took us all weekend to pull the weeds out of the garden.
Okay, so this is he is pulling the weed. Okay, in the garden. That's right. And the last room.
Balcony.
Balcony. Balcony, a platform on the outside of an upper floor or a building.
Okay, so this is the balcony. It's
Yeah.
an outside room of the house where you can see the sky and the sun. Okay, that's balcony. Okay, my dear. Now
Yes.
let us test if you remember. Okay. Can you tell me again what are the different rooms in your house?
Yes. Dining room, living room, bedroom, bathroom, bedroom,
What else?
kitchen.
Okay, yes, kitchen. Very good. Okay. Now you know how to introduce the different rooms in your house. Okay. Okay, my dear, let us now describe here. Can you describe the picture? Yes, it's a bedroom. Okay, you can say, I can see.
I can see in the picture bedroom. Bedroom.
Okay, bedroom. Okay, what else? Bedroom. It has
Window.
Oh, very good. Okay, it has window. What else?
Left.
What do you mean, my dear? It has window.
Left.
Can you spell it for me?
Table.
Okay, that's table. Okay, let's put here table. What else? How about this one, like this? What do you call this?
Best.
Can you spell it for me? Okay. Or let's say here. These are pillows.
Pillow.
Okay, yes, pillows. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, pillows. Okay, what else?
Rèm đắp gì mà chăn.
Okay, let me help you. These
I don't know.
are curtains. Okay, here. Okay, or drapes. Let's put it here. Okay, curtain.
Curtain.
And the last one, what else can we add up? Oh no, sorry. And I think it has here. Let me add this up. A ceiling lamp. Okay, this ceiling lamp. Okay,
Laugh.
lamp. Okay. Okay, my
Yes.
dear, let's read our sentences. I can see in the picture.
Yes. I can see in your picture a bathroom. It has window, a table, pillow, curtain,
Very good.
a ceiling lamp.
Yes, very good. Good job. Again, let's repeat.
I can see in the picture a bathroom. It has window, a table, pillow, curtain, a ceiling lamp.
Okay. Now let's try. I will erase our notes. Can you remember it? Okay, let's it. I can see in the picture.
I can see a picture in a bathroom. It has window, pillow, curtain, a ceiling lamp.
Very good. Good job. Good job, my dear. Okay, very good. That's great. Okay, let's go here. Here. What is that place? What is that?
I can see a garden.
Very good. Okay, what else?
A garden in the picture.
Okay. What else can you see?
Flower.
Okay, very good. You can say there are flowers around.
Tree.
Yes, trees.
Tree.
What else?
I don't know.
Okay. Okay, let me help you. We can see her here, a basket. Okay, this is a basket. Okay, a basket with plant in it. Okay. And what else can we see? Okay, let's add a little fan. And a little fence. Okay, this is a fence.
Red nosy.
A little fence. Okay. Okay, let's try our sentences.
Red nosy.
Okay, again, I can see a garden.
Yes. I can see a garden in the picture. There are flowers around tree. A bucket with plant in it. a little fence.
Very good. Again, please. Let's repeat.
I can see a garden in the picture. There are flowers around, tree, a blackish with plant in it, a little fence.
Very good. Now let's try again. If you remember the sentences, I will erase this one. There you go. Let's try.
I can see a picture. I can see a garden in the picture. There are flower, tree, a blackish plant in it. Fence.
Very good. Okay, good job. Very good, my dear. Okay. Now, do you notice that if you repeat and repeat the English words, you can say them clearly and fluently. Okay, let me type this one. Okay. Did you notice that if you, okay, if we repeat and if we repeat many times the English words, you can say them clearly and fluently. Okay, right? Fluently.
Easy
Okay.
remember.
Thấy rằng nếu chúng ta lặp lại các từ tiếng Anh nhiều lần, bạn có thể nói chúng một cách rõ ràng và trôi chảy hơn không?
Yes.
Okay, so that is the secret. That is the secret of speaking English, okay, to make our voice clear and fluent. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, my dear, you did good. Okay. And I noticed that your English is, okay, I noticed that your English is not bad. You have good pronunciation. Oh no, is it?
Thank you.
Okay, and you can remember easily the sentences we constructed. That's great. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay. So that's all, my dear. That's all for today. Okay. Did you
Enjoy.
Bạn có thích lớp học thử của chúng tôi không?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so thank you for joining our trial class today, and I am so happy to meet you, my dear, and get to know your goals, your English goals. And I'm sure you have potential to become a very good English speaker. Okay. So now I recommend that you take regular classes so that you can further improve your fluency and conversational skills in English.
Of course.
Okay, very good. Okay, Magdi. And we are very happy to guide you every step of the way.
Thank you.
Okay, very good. Okay, my dear, I hope to see you again soon. And I am very thankful to meet you. Okay, that's all for today. And thank you, my dear. Okay, have a good day today. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you, my dear.
Yeah.